So in question number 10 of this first exercise, we have been given a puzzle where we see that when two 3-digit numbers are added, the result is another 3-digit number. And this puzzle consists of two letters A and B. So basically we'll have to find the values of these letters, and we'll also have to give reasons for the steps involved. Now we'll also have to keep the fact in mind that A and B can only represent single digit numbers. Now let us observe the sum in the ones column, where we have that when A is added to B, the result is a 9. Now the sum in the tens column is given by the fact that if 2 is added to A, the result is 0. Now the sum here is based on one thing, that if we get a carry from the ones column, from the result of the ones column or not. Now if we observe this sum, now we must see one thing, that if we assign maximum values to A and B, for example, if A is suppose 9 and the maximum which we can assign to B, since these two are different alphabets, the maximum which we can assign to B would be an 8, and in that case max to max we will get a number where the ones digit would be 7 if we have to get a carry to the tens column. Hence we will never be getting a result in which we get 9 at the ones place and a carry to the tens column. So this proves that there is no carry which has been taken from the ones column to the tens column. Now based on this, so basically this particular assumption is ruled out. It was just an assumption. So based on that, if 2 plus A gives us 0, in that case we can definitely say that the value of A definitely has to be 8, because then we'll get the number 10, where 0 is the ones digit which is already been taken here, and 1 would be the carry to the 100 column. Now if we observe the sum of the digits in the 100 column, so 1 plus 1 plus 6 equals A, and the value of A again comes out to be 8. Now in both these instances we see that the value of A comes out to be 8. Now if we go back to the sum of the ones column, let me rewrite it again. So A plus B equals 9, and now we know that the value of A is 8, so the value of B would be 1. Now if we put the values back in this puzzle, so this is how it's going to look like, where we see that the value of A would be 8, the value of B would be 1, and these are the values which we have got, and this is how we are going to answer the 10th question of this first exercise.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.